Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
We've got a special edition for you today you do not want to miss.
Beachy Beach.
So today, we wanted to highlight one of our favorite areas of Panama City Beach. Everybody knows about Pier Park and the West End, but what about the East End? Locals sometimes refer to it as we're going to the east end of the beach. It's often called Grand Lagoon off Thomas Drive. Heather, what do you love about the east end of Panama City Beach? I know you own actually a few vacation rentals in this area.
Yes, this is actually a kind of quiet end, just like the West End. But there's so much to do here as well. You don't have to be in just a condo or on the beach. So what I love about the East End is we've got some great restaurants. And not only are there great restaurants, they're local restaurants.
Right, no corporate
They're
vibe.
not chains, no. And I want you to check it out. I mean, we've got Diego's and that Cajun place.
Raw oysters.
Yes, you've got seafood, you've got steaks, you've got everything you need. You've got on the water.
What about getting your seafood at schooners, watching
right
the sunset go down?
Yes.
So amazing.
Yes, so many options of water on the lagoon. You've got water here in the Gulf. That's what I just love about this East End. It's so fantastic. But what else is great? So many water sports activities are located right here. If you want to rent a pontoon or a jet ski or go see the dolphins, it's all right here.
Jet on over to St. Andrews State Park, Ritz-Seltzer Park.
Yes.
And if it's not a beach day, but you still want to get some sunshine, you still want to get a good workout in, there's a great CrossFit gym off the Thomas Drive on the East End called Emerald Coast CrossFit. A lot of locals like to work out over there. Or maybe you want to try your hand at some sports. PCB Recreation Park, beautiful state-of-the-art facility, just a couple minutes away off of Chipsill Parkway. We hold amazing events.
Baseball, softball, it's
all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
All kinds of stuff. A beautiful, beautiful facility. You have to check it out. The East End offers so much, so we hope you'll enjoy this little taste of what it has to offer. These were just a few of our favorite spots on the East End of Panama City Beach. We know we didn't catch them all.
And so if you have a favorite spot, just put it in the comments below for everybody just to check out.
And if you have questions about living, renting, investing in Panama City Beach, check out our website link below. Drop us a question on our contact form. We'd love to talk to you.
For more information about Panama City Beach and beyond, don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss anything in the future.